Sorry it's been so long since I made an update on the Odys case study website. It's probably been about 2 months by now, so this update's going to just be covering everything that I've done so far. So I started this case study about halfway through February, and now it's the 13th of June that I'm recording this video. So I'm just going to go over where my website is right now in June, and I'll try to do monthly updates every month, so do one in July. It's just hard to keep up with this and all the other videos I got to make on top of just everything else that I'm doing. So yeah, I'm just going to go over what we've done so far. I'll try to make more regular updates, but not really a whole lot is going on the website. I am posting tons of content and keeping the site going, but it's early stages, so there's not really anything too exciting happening. So this is month 3 and 4. And since the last time you see me on this age domain case study, I've posted another 77 articles, and this is some coming from my writer and some coming from niche website builders. They are providing 3 months of free content to see how it does, and I'll give my report on it and let you know how it goes. I gave them their own category on the website, so it'll be kind of easy to see how their content is doing compared to my other writer. So far, some of the articles seem pretty decent. Some of them I don't like that much. They go a little off topic. It's about 80% of the content I love, and maybe like 20% it's okay, but it's not amazing. So we'll just see how it goes. So total, we have 83 articles. Total, since I have this website, I've spent $920.78. In total, I've spent in the past 3 or 4 months, I've spent $920.78. So in total on this website, I've spent $2,466.78. The total amount I've earned is 67 cents. So I put AdSense on this website, and it's already starting to earn just a little bit of money. So my net loss is $2,466.11. And if you multiply its income for the last month times a 35 multiple, you get $23.45 valuation. So this is the analytics from May to June 13th. You see it had an 18% increase, not too bad. So from 112 to 135, so slight growth. You can just see the blue line here, it's slowly growing up. What's interesting is a lot of my traffic is actually coming more from Bing than it is from Google. So I've never seen that before. Usually it's Google coming in, but I'm sure it'll change over time, but I just thought that was cool. Right now I'm getting more traffic from Bing. This is my website over the last 12 months, which obviously it hasn't been 12 months, so this is really just the last 4 months. So you see the middle of February all the way up to the middle of June, and it's pretty steady right now. The impressions are going up slightly. Clicks are starting to be more common, and yeah, it's just looking good. Obviously articles are ranking and everything's looking good. We come over here to the coverage. I actually haven't looked at this before, but it looks like Google has only actually picked up 6 articles. So I think this website is being a little bit slow to index, which we're all pretty much can expect that nowadays. Google's been doing a lot of updates, and I don't know if they're like limiting their bandwidth or what's going on with that, but it just seems like websites take a lot longer to pick up, just like my Amiga case study site. So I imagine it'll probably be a while before articles start getting indexed more. So I'm not too worried about it. I'm going to complete the 200 articles that I had. I've got a list from Carl at the beginning of this case study of 200 keywords. So I'm going to complete that list, and then I'll do some interlinking and stuff and get the website set up good, and then I'll just let it sit and see what happens. So that's my goal for this website. Hopefully it starts indexing better soon, but so far the articles that have indexed are ranking and appearing on the first page of Google, maybe like rank 9 or so. So that's why I'm getting some traffic, and this is growing, and I imagine in a few months, at least by the end of the year, you will see a hockey stick growth. And as you can see, my website earned 67 cents from AdSense. So this is just going over the spreadsheet. You see February had 16 sessions, then March 66, April 81, and now May 87. So a nice slow growth. And you'd see the total sessions are way up there, like 300, and then this last month 683. I think it's just bots, and also I have niche website builders plus my writer going on there and adding articles. So I think it's just, and plus myself, although I have a Chrome plugin that disables analytic data when I'm browsing. I think it's just bots, Google crawling it, my writers and stuff like that. I mostly just pay attention to the organic sessions, which is 87. AdSense income, 67. I'll probably start thinking about adding Ezoic here in a little while. I'm not really focused on it too much, but yeah, I'll probably add Ezoic eventually. I haven't added up anything for June yet, because I do that at the end of the month, and so it's just weird how this case study falls that I got the site halfway through February. So now I got to do these income reports at a weird time where I don't have all the data. So we'll figure out how I go about doing that from now on. I'll probably wait for my next income report. I'll probably wait till the end of July to record the video and then post it in August, but we'll see. But so far in June, I spent $435.30 on articles. And this is all the money that I've spent so far, and this is the net loss so far. Or not really a net loss, just my investment. We'll see how this website does over the next few months as I continue to add content and grow the site. So far, it's looking like good signs, just indexing issues, which seems to be normal nowadays. So we'll just wait for Google to crawl my website some more, index some more articles, and hopefully start making some money and getting some traffic. If you didn't know, I do have a Fiverr gig that I started. I have 10 reviews so far. I've had like 15 or 20 orders. So people seem to like the service. It is 5 keywords for $15, 14 keywords for $40, or 25 keywords for $70. And this is low competition keywords. I do all kinds of different methods. The alphabet soup method. I use keyword chef. Sometimes I use SEMrush or Ahrefs to find all these keywords, and then I'll manually search each keyword and make sure it's actually low competition and it's something that if I own the website, I would write an article for it myself. And I also include a recommended word count based on how many words other sites are writing on their articles and stuff like that. And if there are no other websites ranking for that keyword, then I'll just kind of guesstimate based on my experience. So we'll just have to see what goes from there. If you haven't yet, you should check out this website right here. This is my latest update on my Mega case study site. That site is doing really good so far. It's starting to pick up, and yeah, I'm really happy to see that the website is doing better, because I thought it was going to be a failure, but it turned out it wasn't. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.